your core data or your core business, you just build an interface that will keep your customer in mind. You can connect with your customer, engage better, and get the application, get the smart data capture, and bring on the productivity. That's how it works. And finally, the bridge. So with all these things, so we have seen one side of the data flow, which is the smartness as expectation, and the outcome on the other side of the data flow, which is the productivity. So how do we bridge? We bridge with no-code solutions, which I've been explaining, and to do is productivity. And at SolveWorks, what we do, how do we make the bridge? We use various kinds of solutions, but to start on in the initial level or a basic level, we suggest AppSheet, the no-code platform, where it's very simple, 3 steps. You put your Excel sheet on the cloud, the platform editor just translates that Excel sheet into an app, and bingo, you're done. You can start sharing the apps. Just 3 steps, nothing required. So anyone can just go and build the apps. But this is a very starting stage of a no-code app. And this is where we train people, we help people understand how to use, how to be more creative, and we help them build their own apps. This is what we do as a first part of the bridge. Second, when we help them build the applications, this is direct cost saving that they will achieve on an AppSheet scenario. Let's say you want to build a normal kind of a customer connect or engagement application, you might be spending around 15K USD looking at everything like your development, your training, your infrastructure, your developers, your licenses, your software, your yearly maintenance, your offshore, your miscellaneous, your lot of things. But when you come to an AppSheet, we will just get it done in 10% of it, which is $1,200. We will get your applications ready and you're running, and it can run for unlimited users. That's the beauty of it. So there are different ways of using AppSheet and building up the applications. And we support this kind of no-code applications on Airtable, which is a very preliminary base, which is a UX rendering. Then we use AppSheet, which uses a little bit advanced, a lot of APIs and a lot of things in control. Then we are also partners for Microsoft, where we help build businesses application with Power Apps, Power Platform, Dynamics, BR, everything. A lot of things can be done. Microsoft is a bit of a mix of low code and no code. So that's where we also play. And we also work on a lot of custom built advanced softwares in no code, like Kisai. Kisai is a no code OS. It's not just a no code software, it's a no code OS, meaning if I want to launch an application, launch a business, I don't need to worry. I just go and enroll with Kisai and I get all the functions. I want to build inventory. Yes, all the things in inventory are there. So you just pull and drop. You just click, select, drag and drop, and done. The entire inventory flow is created. You don't need to worry. The sizing, everything is taken care. So Kisai is a next level no code, which is like a no code OS, no code operating system. So that's the level of solutions also we deliver from no code. So we start from a very immature way where we start with just a UX to a kind of no code where we can build the OS and we can deliver the OS for any customer for their business. So let's say there are 100 users, all of them can start building from day one on smartness and be productive and be resourceful. That's the most important thing for a business and a business team. And this is a very interesting slide. So if you look at the no-code scale, these are the different levels of applications that are available on the micro, small scale, medium, large, and enterprise. And as I explained, which sector falls in which. There is application platform as a service, or a platform as a service, or a rapid application development. So depending on the size of business you are and depending on the kind of requirement you have to actually go for the right kind of no code. So not every no code that you look at will suit your business. So that's where our expertise comes in, and that's where our knowledge, our delivery comes in, helping you get the best no code and try to achieve the best productivity from the best smart data capture you can do, and your team can be 100% resourceful. And to addition to that, on AppSheet itself, we have various other offerings, which is like one is Collab Studio, which is like we have 20 different suites that are already pre-built, which for various industry segments, where businesses can just launch their application or smart data capture in 7 days. 7 days they are live. Bingo. They just need to choose the app suite. They need to customize the brand, and the app can be launched. So we already have a lot of predefined specs on the front called Collab Studio. We also do a lot of trainings, which is helping everyone understand. And we call this as app making and profit line engagement. So if you think your apps are going to create a profit, then only you involve yourself in building apps. And that's exactly the principle that we run in these kind of trainings, enabling people to understand the best use of smartness and productivity where they can get from the no code. And similarly, we do a lot of these workshops called Ample Tales, where we bring in a lot of other success stories from various no-code frontiers and try to host them on a show, very peculiar show. And it's a community where people can connect and they can learn what are the evolutions happening in the no-code. This is another thing that we bring from SolveWorks. And recently, we have done the first ever online hackathon for no code, where we had participants taking the hackathon online on the fly in a fixed time and delivering the no code apps, which were verified again online using the no code solutions, and it was given. And that's it. That's all I thought I would share, and I'm open to questions.